Hello, my name is Chris Rowe and this is a video for lesson 35. So let's start with subtraction. So we're going to find the missing number. Let's try 1. So for this problem, all we have to find the missing number, all we have to do is just do normal subtraction. 1898 minus 679. I'm going to borrow from 9. We get 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the missing number is 1219. Let's try 2. Blank minus 350 equals 3082. So the missing number is greater than 3082 by 350. So what we're going to do is add 350 into the product and we get 3432 as our answer. Let's try 5. So just like 2, since we subtracted 684 from the blank and we got 8077, that means that the blank is greater than 8077 by 684. So what we're going to do is add 684 into the product and we get 8761 for our answer. Let's try 4. 2177 minus blank is equal to 2069. So the blank is the difference between this number and that number. So we're going to subtract 2069 from 2177. I'm going to borrow 801. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the blank is 108. Decimals. Find the product. Let's try 1. So when we're adding with decimals, we have to line up the decimal points. Then we're going to write the decimals. Now we can add. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 1 plus 9 is 10. Carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2. And we're going to line up the decimals. So the decimal point for our answer is going to be right here. So the answer is 2.079. Let's try 4. Remember, you have to line up the decimal points. Then we can add. And we get 0.306 as our answer. 7, 1.94 plus 0.39. 2.33 is our answer. Let's try 10. 0.97 plus 1.42. 2.39 is our answer. Measurement, we're going to convert the given measurements. So let's try 1. We're going to convert 4 yards into feet. So if you look up here, we're going to use these values to convert the given measurements. So we see that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. And in number 1, the amount of yards increased by 4 times. So we're also going to multiply 3 feet by 4. And 3 times 4 is 12. So 4 yards is equal to 12 feet. Let's try 2. 32 yards to feet. So the amount of yards increased by 32 times from 1 to 32. So we're also going to multiply 3 by 32. And 32 times 3 is 96. So 32 yards is equal to 96 feet. Let's try 7. 96 inches to feet. So we see that 12 inches is equal to 1 foot, and 12 times 8 is 96. So we're also going to multiply 1 foot by 8, and we get 8 feet as our answer. Let's try 8. 6 feet, 2 yards. So 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, and 3 times 2 is 6 feet. So we're also going to multiply 1 yard by 2, and we get 2 yards as our answer. Multiplying decimals, find the product. So as you can see, we're multiplying the decimals by 10, 100, or 1000. So let's try 3. So when we multiply a decimal by 10, we're moving the decimal point to the right once. So we get 75.8 as our answer. Let's try 4. So just like number 3, we're multiplying this decimal by 10. So we're going to move the decimal point to the right once. And what we get is 8.43. 6, 0.300. So remember, when we're multiplying the decimal by 10, we're going to move the decimal point to the right once. So we get 3.00. Now let's try multiplying by 100. Let's look at 2. 0.02 times 100. This time we're going to move the decimal point to the right 2 times. So we get 2 as our answer. Let's look at 10. 79.6 times 100. We're moving the decimal point to the right twice. So we get 7,960. Now let's try multiplying by 1,000. Let's get 1. 0.066 times 1,000. This time we're going to move the decimal point to the right 3 times. And we get 66. Let's try 7. 91.0 times 1,000. We're going to move the decimal point to the right 3 times. So we get 91,000 as our answer. So that's it. Thanks for watching.